eating squirrels. It's an animal.
Yeah, the birdie has a worm in its mouth. Whoop, poop.
Wait, is it eating?
Hmm?
Looks like eating.
Yeah.
Masha.
Oh.
Nope.
Yeah. He's looking for more. Hello. Assalamualaikum. Oh, got more.
Oh, there's another bird on the other side of the fence.
Yeah. I think it's dinner time for them. Yum, yum, yum. Wow, it's getting so many.
There's a lot of birds in our area.
Yeah. It's getting so many.
Bunnies come.
Probably more for its.
Oh, a third bird. Right there,
Yeah.
Mama, third
They're
bird.
having a dinner, I guess.
Oh,
Whoa.
the bird ran.
There's another one over there. Yeah, I think it's.
I can hear the baby birds.
Yeah. There's one on the tree. Let's see if we can zoom in. There you go. There's one on the tree. Oh, there.
Mama, look, there's a bird behind that fence.
Where?
Right there, behind the fence. No, that other fence, over there.
Mm-hmm.
Behind the bicycle. The blue.
Oh yeah, that's the same one, right?
No, it's not the same one, it's a different one.
No, it was the same one that was on the other side. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. There's the moon. Whee.